Pinagli na ko ganahan ni Nana. Akong gusto continuous flight kasi sila na may bahala ng karga.
People got sick and tired of hearing of it.
Yeah.
And they changed the schedule.
How do you call this one?
This is just a support bracket.
A support bracket. In the Philippines, we don't need that. Did you know that we have some oil spill over here?
Oil spill?
Yeah.
No.
Look, don't step on it with the white
what
stuff.
happened?
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Monday. So magre-ready lang ako guys dahil punta ako sa dialysis. Ihatid ko yung biyanan ko. At sobrang malapit. Iyon, ihatid ko yung biyanan ko pala. And good morning. Natutulog yung asawa ko at saka yung biyanan ko. Maagang nagising. So, yep, maaga siyang nagising. And also, ano pa ba? Okay, I'm just gonna get ready. Nag-ano lang ako ng yung video ko for today's video. Inano ko lang siya sa Instagram at saka sa Facebook. Anyway, so I like this foundation. I really do like this foundation. Hey, you like it. Kuan ba daghan mga tikay nya magtan-aw ka sa imong gabagahe aron di ka matigok ng bala-bala nila da sa garahe sa kuan. Magtan-aw jud ka sa imong mga gamit.
Dili man kay kuan man. Dili magkuan sa gamit sa kadayan. Dili na ba ako? Wow, dili mo ko kuan.
Dili oy taka man ka oy sa gikan sa PAL di ba landing man ka Manila. Pag human mo landing anas Manila, kuha naman natin mo tanan mo gamit kay lahi naman tong ticket para domestic.
Dili. Wala ginadili na ko ganahan ni Nana. Akong gusto continuous flight kasi sila na may bahala ng karga. Lahi na nga plane pero continuous flight sila na may bahala ayat turiya sa airplane. Baka lang. Kaya kung pag dito mo ipili kay kung lahi, ikaw tayo mag-problema sa mong karga.
Okay, sad. Panid ilang kay murag lahi naman gud kay ako gud kay kada landing na ako sa Cebu. Ang resulta kay sa landing man gikan sa Korean Air gikan kuan Korea nya Cebu, New York, Korea, and then Cebu. Pag-abot sa Cebu hakot ako sa kumbagahe para domestic kay lahi naman to. Dit ang akong ticket. Ha?
Wala di ko ganahan kay ako ra gud isa. Wala di ko ganahan riana.
So mo na imong gitoyo dahil nimo na yung anak para
yes. Inaanak ko itong libot sa pagpahingon ako sa California. Kagayan sa Manila, sa Manila to LA. Wala ko yung problema sa kong kasa. Dito ako sa LA nagkita.
Daghan magkagamit niya. Ikaw rausa, magkabuing-buing yun.
Oo, gani. Duha ka malita. Yan, ako ko yan carry.
Sus, okay ra dahil na. Duha ka malita, okay ra eh.
Duha ka malita, ako ko yan carry. Lagi pagkan.
Okay, klaro rin. Ang saman naka sa inyo karon nag-drive man ko karon kauban akong ugangan log. Ako pud katulog ko nagbiyahe migani ni tawag ka nawa akong katulgon.
Wala. Pagkuan ko karon ba search ko sa Amazon.
Oh, pila man? 300. Pila?
Search lang. Uy. Wireless pagid mic.
Oh.
Kinitala.
Mag-unsa mo ka dito?
Itong agent na ako sa akong insurance akong matuan.
Unsa man ang insurance ba?
Ano itong insurance? Kung ano tao na pagpadayon or ako bang i-stop.
Sige, Rem. I-text na ako sa imo ha.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige, bye-bye. It's early. We'll probably go stop in the house. We'll probably stop in the house. Or do you want to go direct to the dialysis?
Yeah, I wouldn't might as well.
Okay.
This way you don't have to keep going in and out.
Okay, maybe they can take you in, you know. Maybe they will take you in early.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'll get lucky. They got
Oh shit!
the big people got sick and tired of hearing of it,
Yeah.
and they changed the schedule.
Maybe they have so many people over there. So many clients, so many, you know, dialysis.
Yeah, but you know, people don't understand. You know, you have to wait till they're finished with the patient. And if the patient bleeds, like I do sometimes, you have to understand that it takes them longer with that patient. They have to stop that bleeding. And, you know, they just want, I mean, you know, 1, 2, 3. But if it was them that was bleeding and whatnot,
Well, it's tiring waiting too, you know. They have to do their job. That's why people complain. It's like it's not easy to just keep waiting. Jesus, this pothole is so big. The pothole is really deep. Hi guys, I am here. Finally, I just dropped her off. And then, I'm going to the other house. Oh my lubot, ang laki ng puwet mo, Day. Yung si Inday doon, ang laki ng puwet-puwet niya. Maganda talaga yung malaki yung puwet. Yung puwet lang guys ha, hindi yung tiyan. So anyway, good morning to you guys again. Andito na ako, pauwi na sa bahay. Hala, may pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Race. Okay, what I'm gonna do? 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 Hi guys, I am here. I don't know how I look like, but I'm here guys. I'm here. You know ba kung alam yung ginawa ko? Kasi hindi nyo alam. So sasabihin ko na lang dito. Anyway, so nag-ano ako ng mga papel na itatapon kasi marami naman papel dito guys. Sa nakikita ninyo ang daming papel, pero tinatapon ko yung mga 200 years ago na mga papilis. So yun ang mga tinatapon ko, and so yun, tinatapon ko sila, and andun sa isang box ang dami. So ang gagawin ko ngayon guys is mag-i-edit. Katatapos ko lang pala kausap yung asawa ko, so I'm going to edit the video. Yeah, so maghihintay lang ako guys. Oh my god, itong eyebrow ko nakakatakot. Kailangan ko pang manonood ng mga brow tutorial kasi talagang hindi ka talaga alam itong mga pinaikog-ikog dito guys. Yung ito guys ba, yung mga pinagganon-ganon dito guys, hindi. Para akong nabakikawi, yung parang bakikawi ganyan. Para akong ano ba, sa mga ganito, ang init na. Anong klaseng eyelashes yan? Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Punta na kami sa isang bahay. Pauwi na kami sa isang bahay. So, what?
I guess I saw what was there before.
Yeah, look at that. This shortcut. Oh, look at that. That's fucking dangerous. Look what in it. That's why people died. Stupid people, right?
And then after they die,
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you.
They're happy to see me. I don't know.
Who texted you? Any other messages?
I'm gonna call you from the house phone to your phone.
Oh yes, what is it? What? You miss me already? It's just a few hours. You miss me? You miss me? Is that it? Hmm? You miss me?
We're up fake. We're here till tomorrow.
Huh?
Yeah, no, she was.
Lady, can you give us a minute?
Let's go. Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go? Do you want to go with Mama? I'm going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, where are you going? Let's go. Where are you going? Let's go.
Going up?
Yeah. Look, she knows her.
You stay right here.
Rox, let's go. Come, let's go. Come. Mandang nabalik.
Little monkey's ready to jump into the car.
Look at that position. Let's go. Let's see. Look. She's jumping like a freaking horsey. Look. She's happy over here, Han.
Yeah.
Okay. Kailangan lang namin i-ano yung post doon. Oh, nag-leaning kasi leaning down. What?
Got a drill gun in a red case. Inside.
The drill gun?
Drill gun in a red case.
Okay. Ito yung ginagawa niya, guys. Ito yung ginagawa ng asawa ko. Kasi itong fence leaning down. So he's kind of just fixing it. Ito yun. That's... How do you call this one?
It's just a support bracket.
A support bracket. In the Philippines, we don't need that. We just need to get a wood and lean it, slide. Oh shit.
Yeah.
For now, this is what we have, guys. Tammy,
Help for the time being.
for the time being. Because in the future, when we have enough, when we have enough man, we're going to replace it with a halfway decision. Metal halfway, wood halfway. Right, my love? Hello. It came up, Han. I can feel, Han.
Okay, let go.
This one, it went up.
It's okay.
Aunt Jeannie. Your Aunt Jeannie.
Hi, Hops. Look at green eyes.
Big eyes, oi.
Yeah, the green ones are so nice. I wish Zoe had green. The yellow looks
Wait,
possessed.
this is so dry.
Oh, your mouth?
Yeah, and then I keep itching it.
Don't.
And then now it's sore.
Do you have like a medicated Vaseline or something? Cut that out. Cut that out.
Look how cute is that baby.
Say blob on my face. Don't let anybody see my pretty eyes. They're only for your eyes only, mommy.
Look. Prepare si Tammy sa pagkain sa kapatid niya. Tingnan niya. Little bit of that. That chicken is so big. Tignan nyo yung chicken ni Tammy, guys. Ang dami. Cellophane.
Actually, just sort of give like a grocery store bag.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cellophane. This is a cellophane. Guys, this is cellophane. This is cellophane.
Do you know what?
Oh, this is yellow paint.
Do you know what? In Long Island, we went to the store with Justin, blah blah blah. They charge
Yes.
for the bag.
This one, the charge?
Yeah. You want bags?
They've been trying to do that everywhere. They
Yeah.
tried to make it a law, but it hasn't become a law yet.
I guess it's not. But you know what? Honestly, I take these and I use them for the cat litter. I line my garbage bin.
Yeah, I do that everything. I use it.
I mean, I'm
Yeah.
what? I could buy
Yeah.
a 2-ounce one from the store. I could reuse these. I don't just throw them away. So, I mean, they do eventually wind up in a landfill, but... Shed. Are you going to try this shed eventually?
Yeah,
Don't try running with grass, though, because probably you'll rip it up with the...
I'm just make sure everything works. So it's tough to find out 3 months from now.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Or usually you get better prices now?
No, there's no
So it's on sale?
They got no prices.
Oh my god.
Gotcha.
It's so dark in here. Did you, Andrea, did you know that we have some oil spill over here?
Oil spill?
Yeah.
No.
Look, don't step on it with the white
what
stuff.
happened?
The oil driver, he didn't close. He didn't close the nozzle, and then he hit the thing and rolled it up. And I went to the guys. You know what the?
That sucks.
There's nothing they can do about that. No, that driveway is gonna be soft forever now.
That sucks. I don't know about soft.
No, it makes it soft. Yes, you can stick your finger through it.
Oh, Angel has had. Yeah, that sucks. That's a lot.
Yeah.
We put leather. You add leather, I see. You don't.
And that's a big spot. Like, I used to get pissed when the kids would do it with little, and then Ange would put, like, his jack down, and the next thing you know, I had ridges in the driveway.
Hello, guys. Kaalis lang ng kapatid ng asawa ko. Bumisita. Si ano, galing siya sa trabaho, bumisita. To see sa ina niya. To sit sa ina niya. I'm going to end this vlog. I-end ko na tong vlog, guys. And then, I will see you tomorrow. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Yung asawa ko nasa bathroom. So, I'm not gonna ask him to say bye. Anyway, guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits bukas. Bye.